However, just as a wildfire can reignite if not fully extinguished, there is a real danger caused by the attempts to revive Mungiki today. This means rekindling the flames of violence, fear, and destruction that once engulfed our communities.
We thus hereby demand that Professor Kithure Kindiki, CS Interior, to immediately crack down on any resurgence of Mungiki, as has been recently witnessed on several occasions. We also wish to reiterate that the outlawed Mungiki sect thrives on extortion, terror, drugs, and substance abuse, and the killing of both